Role play 35. Discussion about accident.
Amir and Habib are traveling to Islamabad. On the way to Islamabad, they see a crowd. Then they both talk as follows.
Habib, why is it crowded here?
I think an accident has taken place.
Really?
Let's see.
Let's go and see. Oh my God!
Why are you so shocked, Amir?
Can't you see what the condition of the car is?
I do not think that anyone is injured in this accident.
Can't you really see that the injured man is in critical condition?
Yes, dude, you are right. His condition is critical. Hey, brother, call the ambulance.
Wait for just a second. I'll call the ambulance right now.
Amir, could you please see how many people have been injured?
I will just see. People in the car are not injured. Only the motorcyclist is injured.
Thank God no one else was injured.
Thank Allah.
Amir, how did this accident happen, dude? It is very dangerous.
Yes, I am also thinking the same, that this place is not accidental. Let us ask someone.
Now Habib talks now to a person.
Hello, bother. Can you please tell me how the accident occurred?
Hello, the accident occurred because the motorcyclist was at full speed, and he pressed the brake suddenly.
Do you know why he pressed the brake suddenly?
Brother, I do not know exactly, but I have heard people saying that he turned without giving any indication, and then suddenly a car came in front of him, and he had no other option, so he pressed braked.
Okay, thank you for giving me information, but tell me why no one called the ambulance.
What to say now, brother? Because no one wants to become a witness to this accident.
I am sorry to hear this. We should help a needy person. What if he has died?
Yes, you are right. I'm sorry that I did not help him, but I promise that I will always help a needy person on time.
Insha'Allah, I hope so.
Insha'Allah. Brother, thank you.
Welcome.